I just feel like sharing this. God taught me a very powerful lesson just yesterday. The lesson was, as a leader, if the team that you are leading doesn't perform to the best of their ability, and you know you have all the equipments that you need, you have all the resources that you need to make the team perform to the best of their ability, you ought to ask yourself, what is it that I'm not doing right that contributes to such a bad performance or a poor performance? And the greatest lesson that I learned from that is that as a leader, you cannot see yourself outside the flock. As a leader, it's very much important to be a part of umhlambo uholayo. Ungayiboni wena ungaphambili komhlambo, umhlambo usemuva. Ungayiboni wena usemuva, umhlambo ungaphambili, but always see yourself among umhlambi oholayo. Lokho kwenza ukuthi uma umhlambo ungahambi kahle bese uthi asihambi kahle. You don't say anihambi kahle, but you say asihambi kahle, singenze njani ukuze silungise. Uma kukhona onama shortcomings within the team, you don't see that person as a bad person, and you ask yourself ukuthi if this person engahambanga kahle kusho ukuthi sonke akuhambeki kahle. So you need to stop and pay attention to lowo ongahambanga kahle bese uthi how can we fix this, how can we do better. And you cannot say how can we do better ungawuthandi umhlambi okuwo, because truth of the matter is, much as you are leading those people, but you are also led by the vision that you've been given by God. So you don't lead yourself, you are led by the vision. Much as wena uhamba phambili kulabazalwane noma kulo mhlambi noma kule team uhamba phambili kuyo, but nawe the vision oyifaka uNkulunkulu kuwe yiyehola wena. So you ought to respect the vision uNkulunkulu ayifake kuwe before abantu bekuhlonipha. Nawe hlonipha ivision onikwe yona, then see yourself as part of the team.